WhatsApp hack and tricks. Okay, we're still on it. Today, I want to show you how you can actually message someone. For example, you want a particular message. I don't want that message to last. Maybe you've chatted with somebody. I want to make sure that that chat at the end of today, 24 hours, is deleted. There might be various reasons why you need that. They will not want to focus on the bad reasons because anything we teach here should be with good motives. Okay, maybe the chat is sensitive, probably it's a business transaction or things that you believe should be done and agreement should be reached on that day, and once you reach the agreement, then the chat should be deleted. So probably don't want the other party to now copy it and send it somewhere else or something like that. WhatsApp gives you 24 hours to achieve that goal. But everything we teach you will show you the advantage and the disadvantage. The advantage of doing this is this. One, it makes your chat to be secured, private, and completely gone for good. At the end of the day, you achieve those goals. Person read the message, and after reading the message, after some time, message you swipe off forever. But disadvantage is that when this message finally wipe out, even you that send it will no longer see it. So both parties will no longer see the message. That is one. And two, if you forget to go and remove it from that disappearance, any other message that may be likely be of interest to you, even if you wanted that message to stay, once it's 24 hours or a week or any time that you want it, the message will be deleted and gone for good. So you have to remember, if it's just that particular chat that you had on that day or on that week that you want to be deleted, it's better you make sure that before the end of the day or after 24 hours or after the 1 week, you go back and choose non-disappearance. Okay. And what are the advantages of doing this? Remember, our goal is business, and as a businessman or woman, if you are doing something like price update, sometimes you don't need to be fooling people's page or your own page with different price updates, because somebody may come to that and go back and try to say, you posted 3,000, you posted 100,000 for this price. Why are you selling 200,000 today? And you go and bring it out and show you. But Nigeria, prices are changing every day. So for that reason, if you are into that kind of business, you can just put a price tag that will last for a particular time. Before you know it will go off, then you put another new price update. So you don't need to start deleting it yourself. So that is just one advantage. There are many other advantages, but I just take only this one. And for that reason, I want to try you can do that. So let's say, for example, this guy, I want to chat with him right now, and I tell him hello or whatever. So immediately I start the chat, I will come over here, just up where you see the name Truest. I click on the name, and immediately it open like this, right? It open his page and everything, his profile and everything for me to see. So what do? I scroll. Okay, you scroll, and when you scroll, you get to media visibility. Okay, so I click on media visibility, and what do you see there? Show newly downloaded file. Sorry, it's not media visibility. Sorry. Disappearing message. We've not gone to this. When we get there, I will show you what that is. Okay, disappearing message. Go to disappearing message. So click on disappearing message, and it will ask you, make message in this chat disappear for more privacy and strong whatever. You can read this up. Okay, so now you want message to disappear just in 24 hours. After this chat, the next day, this message should go. I don't want anybody to see it, or even me myself, or even the person I chat with to see it, so I will use it against me or anything. Yeah, so you now put it 24 hours. So you mainly put 24 hours. That means that in the next 24 hours, all the chat you had with that person will go off from the person's profile or the person's page and your own as well. Nobody will see the message again. Okay, because will be for 7 days, for 90 days, and stuff like that. So that way it helps to keep your phone safe and also reduce storage issue. That's why Cybermesser has a whole lot of advantage, but I don't want to be talking about it. But this is how you can achieve this. Okay, if you like this, give us a thumbs up, like, follow us. If it's on YouTube, you are watching it, subscribe to us. We are giving you information, knowledge that will help you. So subscribe to us so I can be able to get it on time and always be the first to go through it. See you in our next video where we take something of importance. Okay, something that will also be similar to this, but maybe of of more importance than this as well. See you in our next video. We'll take another WhatsApp hack and tricks. Thank you. See you.